advisor and thought leader to CXOs, and you have done a lot of consulting in Asia, internationally on data-enabled digital transformation. So tell us something about data-enabled digital transformation and why the leadership, especially the CXO, must care about data-driven transformation.
Very good. Hmm. Yeah. So, Madan, that's a good question. And, in terms of, so let's look at what is digital transformation in general, right? And
Mhm.
then maybe drill down to data-driven transformation. Now, first of all, what we need to understand is what is a transformation. So now, as many people understand, right, and this has been spoken enough of, I think, that it is not just digitizing your business that falls under the remit of digital transformation. It's more of a organizational DNA change that we are looking at, the way the organization thinks, the way the organization operates, and therefore it has a very strong connection to the entire business model on which the organization is built on. Okay, there is a nuance of business model, there is a nuance of strategy, there is a nuance of business tactics, and these are different things. People, again, many times people conflate these things, but these are different things. If you look at business model, for example, or business model is the kernel of operation, how the business actually operates, right? Whether we are selling to, let's say, low income group people, or whether we
Yeah.
are targeting the niche end of the market, these are uh, choices, governed by your strategy, and strategy ultimately translates into a business model which the business executes. Now, digital transformation is again leveraging the set of technologies that are available in the ecosystem to create competitive advantage. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when you create competitive advantage, I've worked with McKinsey, and one of the prime mantras that we have seen play out again and again is that organizations cannot take a piecemeal approach to digital transformation. They
Mm.
have to go all in, quote unquote, as it is called, right? So it's not like a half-hearted effort that will succeed, that will help organizations succeed in this. So there is a very clear, well-defined, articulated roadmap that needs to be established. A well-defined playbook of actions need to be put in place, and it has to be overall orchestrated as a as a program managed, project managed effort. There are nuances of program management, and there are nuances of project management,
Yeah.
and there are nuances of product management also, which come into play when you are embarking on a digital transformation.